Digital fabrication is the process of using computer-controlled machines and tools to create physical objects from digital designs. This process is also known as 3D printing, additive manufacturing, or rapid prototyping. The basic workflow of digital fabrication involves creating a digital model of the object that needs to be fabricated using computer-aided design (CAD) software. Once the model is completed, it is sent to a computer-controlled machine that builds the object layer by layer using various materials, such as plastics, metals, or ceramics. Digital fabrication technologies include 3D printers, laser cutters, CNC routers, and robotic arms, which are all capable of creating complex shapes and intricate designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve using traditional manufacturing methods. One of the most significant benefits of digital fabrication is the ability to produce customized and personalized objects quickly and efficiently. For example, medical professionals can use digital fabrication to create prosthetic limbs or dental implants that are customized to fit a patient's specific needs and anatomy. Digital fabrication is also being used in a wide range of industries, including aerospace, automotive, architecture, and fashion. In these industries, it is used to create prototypes, scale models, and small-scale production runs. Another benefit of digital fabrication is the potential for reduced waste and environmental impact. Because the process is based on building objects layer by layer, it can be more efficient than traditional manufacturing methods, which may involve cutting and shaping raw materials to create a finished product. Despite its many benefits, digital fabrication also presents some challenges. One of the main challenges is the high cost of the machines and materials involved, which can be a barrier to entry for small businesses and individuals. Additionally, the technology is still relatively new and rapidly evolving, so there may be a learning curve for those new to the field. Overall, digital fabrication is an exciting technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create physical objects. As the technology continues to evolve and become more accessible, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and creative applications of digital fabrication in the future.